morning.
Did you miss us?
Yeah, no, it's totally not our normal time. It's like, what is it? It's like 10 o'clock on a Wednesday.
9:50 in the morning.
On a Wednesday. Yeah, so we're still, both of us are still drinking our only, like, second cups of coffee. But
we're here for a reason.
Yeah.
So last night and this morning on our social media, Instagram, we received a few comments.
Which is great. We love it.
Yeah,
and that's why we're here.
We want your feedback.
Yeah.
And we're really happy, actually, that you're engaging with us.
Yeah, we're super stoked that we get comments. We're like, where do we have engagement?
So that's actually a really great way for you to let us know what's going on.
Yeah. So actually, one of the comments last night was one that actually directed our attention to something that we were unaware of. And so this morning, Stephanie like sleuthed it up, figured out what was going on.
So we realized, based on your comments, that the marker boards on the 4th floor have been removed.
Yes,
and the tables that go with
and
the tables that were next to them, and they've been replaced with study carrels.
And apparently this happened yesterday. Okay.
So you knew before we knew.
Before we did.
So we wanted to address the issue because we understand those whiteboards are really, really popular, and you use them to study and you use them to collaborate.
Yeah, so we wanted to tell you where they went, what's up, and like just to put a little PSA out there because the more you know.
Yes, we're not.
Right?
So we're not doing it because we hate you. We're actually doing it because we love you.
You're right. We're doing it because we love you.
And so we are actually in the process of creating a learning commons. And you probably don't. Well, librarians know what that term means. But a learning commons is basically a fun space for students to study, to collaborate.
So think like comfy furniture, lots of whiteboards, computers, big monitors, stuff like that.
So there'll be lots of spaces, and this is coming really soon. I mean, we're looking at like the end of the summer.
Yeah, you may have noticed downstairs in the IMC, all the like stuff that was in there is now not in there. That is where the Learning Commons is going to go. So we cleared all that stuff out, and we're talking like construction over the summer, right?
Right.
Yeah. So very soon. So apparently those whiteboards got moved in anticipation of the Learning Commons.
Right. And ultimately, the 4th floor is going to be a completely quiet space.
Which makes total sense for you guys, right?
Right.
So, like, really cleanly designated quiet versus loud.
Because right now, it's kind of mixed up. Like, you have some quiet spaces, and then you have other spaces where people are sitting at a table doing group work, and that doesn't make a lot of sense.
So what do we do if I was a regular user of those whiteboards? What do I do now?
Well, you'll see some signs that explain what.
Where did my whiteboard go? Question mark, question mark, question mark.
All right, so these whiteboards are no longer in the library. They're gone. So you're not
now.
You're not gonna be able to use these exact same whiteboards ever again. Probably. But you can still use the whiteboards that are available in our study rooms. Every one of our study rooms has a whiteboard. So if you need to use a whiteboard to study or to collaborate, then you can find one in our study room.
And we'd like to pose you a question. So, like, comment or on like our here on the video or in any of our other social media like platforms. But would you guys, students, be interested in like portable whiteboards, like ones that roll?
So kind of smaller size. We're talking about smaller size whiteboards. So not like the great big wall ones you're used to, but smaller size that would be placed in the gigantic room downstairs that used to be the IMC.
So that you would have at least
something to use.
Something temporarily.
And on top of the boards in the study room.
Yeah. So let us know.
Yeah, let us know what you think. We're actually working on a proposal to get those right now. So your feedback would be really, really useful.
Yeah. So way to go, social media.
Yep.
All right, guys. So we are. Anything else we want to say? I don't think so. It's probably
I think
good.
that's it.
Okay, guys.
Short
so
and sweet.
I know we're just you missed us. So we're just gonna sign off and say let us know. Let us know. Give us feedback, and we appreciate all the feedback we're getting so far.
Yeah, we like your comments. Keep them coming.
Okay. Bye, guys. Bye.